So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of new important opportunity from company like Upstox and other hiring like the Qualcomm and other companies. So if you are the fresher looking for some important internship and opportunity, then this video is for you. So talking about the first important that is from the Upstock, they are hiring for the role of intern business analyst, and you have to work 5 days in office, and these will be your roles and responsibility like analyzing large data set, work efficient with SQL queries, use Python for data analysis, automations, data cleaning and reportings, and other things are there. So if you are from bachelor's or master degree in engineering, computer science, statistics or mathematics from tier 1 institutes or other, then you can apply for this hiring. Moving to next, that is from the ZEnsar. So they are continuously hiring for the junior Python developer. So if you have knowledge or interest in this, then you can apply. The requirement is BTech background and work from anywhere. I think this is for experience, so you can ignore that, especially if you have some experience, then you can apply. Otherwise, you can ignore. Moving to next, that is from the Blackhawk network. They are hiring for the role of software engineer, and this is also a full-time role. So this will be your roles and responsibility like writing clean, reusable code, build product that perform scale and highly available. And this is the qualification that master's or bachelor degree in computer science or related fields, Java expertise required, and the basic other skills are required. So just check out the link in the descriptions and apply with updated resume. Moving to next, that is from the higher radius. They are hiring for the role of React JS developer, and for this the job location is Hyderabad. This will be your roles and responsibility like ensuring technical feasibility of UI UX and develop new user facing features using React JS, and this is the requirement. So preferred qualification experience with TypeScript. So if you are from bachelor degree in computer science engineering or related fields or equivalent practical experience, then you can apply. Just you have to upload the details and attach the resume and have to apply. Moving to next, this is the hiring which I have already provided update. So still the hiring is going on from the Qualcomm 2026 campus hiring for the role of SW. So if you want, you can apply. The computer science, IT and related fields required. Besides that, if you are from the EC background or CS other, then also eligible. So if you want, you can apply for this role. Moving to next, this is from the capgemini. They are looking for the female candidates, okay, for the non-vice roles, and for this the job location is Kolkata, and you should be immediate joiner or 15 day within that, okay. So if you want, you can apply for that. Moving to next and last important thing, that is for the role of analyst, and the company name is KPMG. They are hiring for the role of analyst consulting implementations, and this will be the roles and responsibility. The requirement is BE BTech or postgraduates in any disciplines. Just they are preferring skills over the department. So if you are interested, you can apply for this. You should have well knowledge in MS Word, PowerPoint and Excel. So if you want, you can apply for getting such important community. You can subscribe us. कोई भी query feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, anywhere. You can ask for query there. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.